Hey, welcome to today's Daily Bread. Today we are looking at a verse straight out of Hebrews 11, the great faith chapter. And in Hebrews 11, the writer gives us examples of people from the Old Testament who demonstrated faith in God. They sought out his presence and they received blessings as a result of their faith. Which brings us to our verse of the day, Hebrews 11:6, which says, "Without faith, it is impossible to please God, because anyone who comes to him must believe that he exists and that he rewards those who diligently seek him." You know, there are so many great words to do an in-depth study of in this verse alone. But the one word that I felt God prompting me to study for today's lesson is diligently, as in diligently seek him. Diligence or diligent in the original language means to search for something with all your heart and all your soul and all your strength. It carries the idea of someone who seeks for something with so much passion and so much determination that they exhaust all the power they have just in their search. And it's very similar to the idea of, maybe you've lost your wallet or your purse, or maybe you've lost your phone at some point. And it's a terrifying feeling, right? Well, a friend of mine recently left her purse at a Chick-fil-A. And when she realized it, she was already back home, which was an hour away from where she'd left it. And everything she needed was in her purse, her money, her driver's license, and believe it or not, her phone was still in that purse. So she frantically got back in her car. She traveled back an hour where she left it. But I guarantee you, she would have traveled for hours if that's what was needed to get her purse back. And she was so relieved when she walked back into that Chick-fil-A restaurant and the manager told her that they had found it when they were cleaning the table and everything was still in there. And that is exactly the same kind of persistence and passion that God wants us to search for him with. And God tells us in Hebrews 11:6 that when we do, he will reward us. And this is our prayer for the day. God, thank you that you reward us with your presence when we seek you out with everything we have. Now speak it, decree it, and believe it. I'll see you tomorrow on Daily Bread. Bye for now.